Haidlmair is a group of companies based in mold making. That's what my father started 35 years ago. We're working together quite closely to become the best mold maker in the world. When I started 20 years ago, I saw that we had 3-4 different programs in our company. We also had the issue here, once you design it with that software, once with that software, files looked nice, but in the end there were small details which were different.
And now that we focus on one system, it's easier to bring the part from one department to the other without losing accuracy.
We are using Siemens technology in all our areas. So we have a streamlined process from the beginning to the end. It's especially important to have a digital twin in the virtual world, because in the CAM department we're building up the same situation we have on the machine.
We are currently driving turning machines with NXCAM. We are driving 3-axis milling machines with NXCAM and 5-axis milling machines also with NXCAM.
It's always resulting in lower costs, but also in shorter delivery times to our customers.
Mold making has a lot of different departments, and where Siemens especially helped us was to bring all these departments together.
The digital thread is the thing that streamlines the processes. Without the paperwork, we can start parallel processing.
They are using a Teamcenter to get this part out of the system. They're using the NXCAM function to make the program for the machines. After the post-processing, they're using the simulation functions to bring a safe program to the machine.
Now, even the machine operator can check the CAD model. So before the machine operator gets the physical part on the machine, he can check with the designer to get this fixed early and to get a high-quality part.
Well, the problem in mold making generally is that we are making every piece one single time. And that's where it helps a lot to locate these similar items in the past.
For example, with geolus, there we can find a part very fast in the system, and we can use the part itself in the design phase, or we can use the programs we needed for this part again. The benefits of reusing parts is that we can reuse the programs which we need for producing these parts, and so we do not need all steps again and again.
Siemens plays a very important role with standardization, which is only possible through the Teamcenter and through the Geolus Search and the Siemens NX. We can save, for example, up to 15-20% of the costs. The next steps in the future are standardization and automation. We are starting in the CAD, going through CAM, going through assembly, and everything is Siemens.
The entire feature-based manufacturing is the basis for the automation. I'm actually working on a project to fully automate NC programming of electrodes using feature-based manufacturing. We want to build up about 80% of our electrodes to machine fully automatic without any human interaction. That's one thing that keeps us ahead from the competitors.
Mold making is very competitive, but to be honest, we are not focusing on our competitors. Not at all. We are focusing on ourselves to grow and make the steps forward. So with the Siemens integrated system, we have one solution for everything, which is always online, always live. So I would say that these are hundreds of thousands of euros every year which we are saving. I'm very optimistic that we can achieve lower prices in the future, but even higher quality than nowadays. And I guess that's what every customer would like to see.